Mitsubishi Colt Ralliart in for a remap today. Using Ecutek software. There we go, up onto the dyno, it's going to make it. So this one's got some modifications on it. As you can see, it's on coilovers. But yeah, it's got a 4-jar rest valve, K-head induction kit. I believe it's got an exhaust. So let's have a quick browse and remind myself. Yeah, we got a Scorpion system. It's a bit dirty. It could have had a wash. Let's have a look under the hood. 4-jar rest valve, K-head induction kit. Oh, look at that little fella. Nice. Yeah, fairly standard manifold. It has got a decatted Scorpion system. So part of what we have to do with the map is remove some codes for the decat and hope that they don't stack. But yeah, that's all right, isn't it? Nice little car. Ooh. Making me cry. Well, a bit of an unusual first sort of power runs. It's actually made 185 brake horsepower very badly, as you can see there. So we have a bit of a look at the ECU, and we can see that the tamper-proof bolts have been off, and that means that this has probably been bench mapped. So it's a good job we are tuning this today, because we know it hasn't got a Ecutek license on it, but it's making that sort of power, but like, as you can see by the graph, badly. So yeah, it's a good job we're doing this one today. We'll keep it healthy. Okay, so you can see that the bench map wasn't particularly excellent, and we've done our best with some clutch slipping today. So we've capped what we were going to do. We could have potentially made more power and certainly held that power longer, but the clutch was slipping, so we've had to modify the map to get the car back until a point where they can actually get a clutch in it, and then potentially maybe even go stage 2, depending on which clutch they choose. But there we go, we've made some power. We've ended today on 212 brake and 218 foot-pound of torque, which will feel incredible, and hopefully that clutch is going to last until after Christmas. Fingers crossed, guys. Thanks for watching.